Welcome back to Get Connected. I'm your host, Con Jackson, and we're coming to you from the dynamic city of San Francisco. We'll be headed down to the wharf in just a few minutes, but first we're standing here in Union Square, and we're about to have a live interview with two phenomenal, get this, dentists. I know, a beautiful smile, and now it's going to be available to millions of people, literally overnight. What are we talking about? It's an all-on-4 technique, and the doctors are joining us now. Doctors, welcome to Get Connected.
Hello,
Good
Con.
morning.
Well, Dr. Moss, let's get started, and let's ask, why are so many Americans that have lost teeth not able to get implants?
Well, it has to do with the bone which holds your teeth in, and as the teeth are lost, the bone tends to shrink or disappear away, and so we see not enough bone volume often to support dental implants.
All right, Dr. Mallow, we're all excited to hear about the technique that you invented.
Well, basically what we invented is to solve a problem, a specific problem, which is the problem of the people without any teeth, what we call the edentulous. As you know, because from your own experience, when you lose your teeth, you also lose the bone that supports the teeth. And eventually you can actually have so little bone in the maxilla, in your jaw, that dental implants are not possible to place. So we used to do something called the bone graft. We would take bone from another part of the world, another part of the body, sorry, and typically the iliac crest, and then transfer that bone to the maxilla, make it bigger, and then wait 4-6 months, place the implants, wait another 4-6 months, and place the teeth. So what we have solved, what we have developed is a system which consists on a specific product and, more important, a specific surgical procedure that allows anybody to have the teeth without the bone grafting.
Very interesting indeed. And Dr. Moss, what was it about this new procedure that Dr. Mallow created that has you so excited?
Well, it's without a doubt the universal application of it. You know, you no longer have to say to patients, you might not be a candidate or you won't be a candidate. Almost everybody who comes through the door is a candidate, and very easily so, because they always maintain a minimal amount of jaw and in both their upper and lower, minimal amount of bone rather, and that's really all we need. By placing the implants at specific angles, which is a large part of the technique, and really to the credit of Dr. Mallow, because we're all taught in this country and around the world for decades that implants need to be straight up and down, because teeth are straight up and down, but they behave very differently, and he was bright enough to figure it out that they don't need to be straight up and down. They could be placed at angles and still be very successful because they form such a strong bond with the bone. So it's the universal application that really impresses me.
And how can someone find out if they're a candidate for this procedure?
Well, they can see their dentist. They can check out our website, which is www.mallowdentalimplants.com. That's M-A-L-O dentalimplants.com. They can go to Dr. Mallow's global website, which is mallowclinics.com. They could see some cases even on YouTube if they put in the YouTube search bar Mallow Clinics or the name All-on-4, and they'll see some videos and some before and afters.
Dr. Mallow, how did you originally stumble across this revolutionary technique?
The idea does not come when you're having a shower, you know. That's the idea basically comes through a problem that arises. You have a problem and you need to solve the problem. And then this particular idea took about 10 years to develop.
Well, doctors, thank you for joining us and developing this great procedure that's going to help out millions of people around the world.
Thank you for having us.
We have to salute the doctors. What an innovative technique, and we're so glad we could bring it to you here on Get Connected, because we love getting you in the know. Well, our show continues from San Francisco because there's a lot to reveal as we get you connected with this amazing city.